kitang yain dahil walang niya ka sa akin. Mark my word!
Yes. Excited. Bigay ko pa yung access sa'yo ng page. Hindi ko alisin yan ha, para i-post mo yan.
Promise!
Yes.
ko
I
sa'yo
want
yan.
viral videos.
Promise ko sa'yo yan.
Go.
Sumbat mo lahat dahil ganyan kakapal na mukha mo.
Oh, ako pa daw makapal na mukha.
Oo. Hindi talaga naman eh. Kapal na mukha mo magsalita ng ganyan after all ng mga ginawa ko para sa'yo.
Okay lang, sige. Lahat ng pananakot mo, gawin mo. Okay. Gawin mo. Matagal na akong takot. Okay na yan.
Show off your fantasy reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside, then you.
Manahimik ka naman ko sa buhay namin. Alam ko naman may ebidensya sa'yo.
Ebidensya?
Huwag ka matakot.
Ha? Dito ko gawin
Yes.
sa'yo. Ilalagaw ko lang Facebook ko dito.
Okay.
Kasi ikaw?
Okay na.
Kasi ikaw?
Okay na. Hindi na tayo kailang mag-usap. Hindi tayo goods. Okay? O, tanggapin mo na mag-aaway tayo. Mortal enemy tayo. Huwag ka na sumigaw. Wala na tayong pag-asa. Okay? Kumalma ka. Wala tayong pag-asa dalawa. Civil na lang. Yes. Matanggap mo na. Okay.
All of the corners in this third floor house, huh? Because you are bringing demons here when you're shouting.
In the name of Jesus Nazarene, Spirit, go away. In the name of Jesus Nazarene, Spirit, go away.
Ba't mo ginagamit si Artus? Ikaw lang dapat.
In the name of Jesus Nazarene, Spirit, go away. In the name of Jesus Nazarene, Spirit, go away. In the name of Jesus Nazarene, Spirit, go away.
Buti pa si Artus, serious oh.
Jesus Nazarene, Spirit, go away. In the name of Jesus Nazarene, Spirit, go away.
Oh, there, the corner. In the toilet. So the demons will get out.
Spirit, go away. In the name of Jesus Nazarene, Spirit, go away. In the name of Jesus Nazarene, Spirit, go away. In the name of Jesus Nazarene, Spirit, go away. In the name of Jesus Nazarene, Spirit, go away.
You see, Artus is very good in shooing the demons.
In the name of Jesus Nazarene, Spirit, go away. In the name of Jesus Nazarene, Spirit, go away. In the name of Jesus Nazarene, Spirit, go away. In the name of Jesus Nazarene, Spirit, go away. In the name of Jesus Nazarene, Spirit, go away.
Oh, in the stairs there, going to fourth floor because everyone here is there. You shouting and calling the demons.
In the name of Jesus Nazarene,
Walk.
Spirit, go
Go
away.
to the ano.
In the name of Jesus Nazarene, Spirit, go away. In the name of Jesus Nazarene, Spirit, go away. In the name of Jesus Nazarene, Spirit, go away. In the name of Jesus Nazarene, Spirit, go away.
In the Artus room and Kina's room, that's the last.
Spirit, go away.
In Kina's room.
She's scared of the demons.
Just ano.
In the name of Jesus Nazarene, Spirit, go away. In the name of Jesus Nazarene, Spirit, go away. In the name of Jesus Nazarene, Spirit, go away. In the name of Jesus Nazarene, Spirit, go away. In the name of Jesus Nazarene, Spirit, go away.
Be serious. Be serious. Tito.
In the name of Jesus Nazarene, Spirit, go away.
In Artus room, open the underbed, ah.
But my underbed is very safe.
Basta, just open it so the voice will enter there. Come on.
Open it lang. Just open it. Come on.
It's okay. You, Artus is inside and Tito is outside. Come on.
Jesus Nazarene, Spirit, go away. In the name of Jesus Nazarene, Spirit, go away. In the name of Jesus Nazarene, Spirit, go away. In
In the name of Jesus Nazareth, you spirit go away.
It's done? Up here.
Is this demons at the second floor still?
In the third floor. In the second floor, last one, the second floor. Come on. The last one, second floor, because the voice is, is vibrating there when you're shouting.
In the name of Jesus, that's the same.
Just even in the last stairs. And then louder, you shout it. So the voice, so the mantra will be heard in the entire second floor.
In the name of Jesus, in the name of Jesus Nazareth, you spirit go away. In the name of Jesus Nazareth, you spirit go away. In the name of Jesus Nazareth, you spirit go away. In the name of Jesus Nazareth, you spirit go away. In the name of Jesus Nazareth, you spirit go away.
You think the demons heard you? You shoot the demons already? Oh, you see the demon is there in Tito's uncle. Oh, you see?
In the name of Jesus Nazareth, you spirit go away. In the name of Jesus Nazareth, you spirit go away. In the name of Jesus Nazareth.
Oh yeah, Jumbo eat the uncle. Do you remember that?
In
The
the name of Jesus Nazareth, you spirit go away.
yeah, do you remember, Jay, the Jumbo attacked the uncle of Tito?
Yeah.
Because the cats can
It was
detect.
my soul of my
Yeah,
cat.
the cat detects the bad spirits.
It's because
It's in Tito's uncle.
Jumbo.
Maybe that's his secret weapon when.
24.
Yeah, maybe Tito's uncle is the secret weapon when he's doing bad things.
He bit his ankle.
Yeah. The demon is riding in his uncle. That's why. Oh, let's go to sleep na. You think you should evil spirit already?
I woke up at 3 a.m.
Do you feel it?
Sorry. No.
Okay. Do you feel that the evil spirit shoe
Yeah.
was gone already? Do you think we shoot the evil spirit? Do you think the evil spirit heard you?
Yes.
Yeah, and then they go away already.
It feels.
How about Tito? I think that evil spirit is inside of him. Still.
it's not.
It's not.
I'll put it there. Give it to them later.
Pagkain pa rin yung trip nila. Katapos magsisigaw.
He's literally possessed by the devil.
Who? Who's possessed?
My father is possessed by Satan.
Yeah. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
Last night, he keeps on shouting, right? He keeps on shouting and fighting with me. He was, right? Or no, maybe the demon was, I don't know, flying away already, right? You think so, Jay?
Yeah. It possessed another
But his bird will attack me soon. I know.
I said random bad words to him.
The demon is gone, but his bird will attack me anytime. You think it's okay na? The evil was flew away? Huh, Jay?
Of course.
Okay. It's safe here to live in the third floor? You think so? You feel it? The good air? Do you feel it better?
Of course.
Yeah.
It first feels colder without air conditioner. That means it's my pet snow.
And the aircon outside is open. Right? Is it cold there or hot?
The
Still hot?
soul of my pet Jumbo.
Hmm?
See, you both are a good boy.
How about mommy? Do I got a bad spirit?
No?
Maybe. I think so.
No. She doesn't have a bad spirit. My mom is not a demon. She's a Jesus.
Just kidding. She say angel.
Yeah. For that.
My evil twin's name. My evil twin's name is same as just like me, but reversed. His name is Sutra. He's a demon.
Ah, the sutra. Yeah, it's scary, right?
Don't mention any names.
And then
No, that's Artus in reverse. The sutra.
The sutra.
That's Artus' name in reverse.
Ah, okay.
Sutra, oh, reverse it.
his evil spirit, his evil twin.
Oh yeah, but it sounds like ano, diba, bad. About me, Elpa. I'm Elpa. My evil name is Elpa. How about Tito? What's his evil name?
O-I-O-K. Oyoik. He's 5 times evil than him.
Oyoik ka daw.
It's not Sifran.
Ah yeah, Sifran.
It's
Because he's
Sifran.
Francis. It's Sifran. It's like Lucifer.
It's Sifran, right? Is it right?
Sabi mo? Ano sabi mo sa akin?
Sabi ko sa ano mo?
Yung?
Saktan ba kita, kako?
Ngayon sugat ko. May pasapa yan. Ito din. Si Kina, hinalikan niya yung sugat ko dito. Hinalikan niya ni Kina. Ang lalim yan, oo. Yan din. Asa yun sa'yo? Kiss ng kiss si Kina dito. Lalim niya, yung laman niya yung ano. Asa yun sa'yo?
Nagahan pa ako. Kaya nagpasa ako dito. Tigado lang.
Asan? Tingin.
Ito yung labi ko. Dito, tsaka ito. Ito,
Wala namang
namamaga
pasa
kahapon.
eh.
Namaga ito kahapon.
Asan?
Angat siya kaysa dito.
Ba't ano ba nagawa ko dito?
Sinapak mo yun eh.
Tapos dito?
Dito. Ayan, ito. Ito sa ayan.
Eh paano? Hinablot mo ko eh. Kinakaladkad mo ko eh.
Oo.
Ano to?
Kalimot mo.
Yung kinagat ko. Alam ko kinagat kita.
Kasi, oh. Ayun pa.
Oo, ako din naman eh. Hinablot mo. Oh. Sinong demonyo?
Ito yung masakit dito talaga. Ito yung masakit.
Oh, hinampas kita nung raketa eh.
Yung balakang ko masakit. Hindi ka alam sa tumahan.
Nagwawala ka eh. Gusto mo magpakita tayo ng clip shot?
Para sa, ha?
Sa CCTV.
Masakit ng ano. Hindi ko alam sa tumahan. Doon ata ito eh. Yung upuan doon eh. Upuan o yung mesa. Hindi ko naman inano kasi yung mesa eh. Nasira yun eh.
Natulak kitang malakas eh. Nanghahablot ka eh.
Sakit ng dito ko.
Gan talaga pag mga may pumasok na demonyo sa bahay.
Ito yung ginamit ko agad.
Ano yan?
Yung gunting mo. Pagka masakit pa.
Eh, hinablot mo sa akin eh. Bobo ka eh. Ba't nanghahablot ka sa akin? Ba't ka nangakatake eh?
Ikaw yun ang
Uy,
sa akin.
hindi ako nanghatake ha. Gusto magpakita ko ng clip?
Inatake mo ako ng ano, gunting.
Uy, hindi ah. Hawak ko lang yung gunting ha. Tumigil ka ha. Ikaw yung nang atake. Ba't kita atakihin? Nakasteady lang ako. Hawak ko yung gunting. Sumisigaw ko. Tapos ikaw sumisigaw. Ikaw ang nang atake. Hinablot mo yung gunting sa akin. Eh, syempre. Mahilig kang lumapit sa akin pag gigil ako. Bigla mo kong inaano. Sinong matinong taong gagawa nun?
Kanina kinukot-kot ko ng kino. Sobrang sakit.
Ako nga din. Ito, kinutkot niya din to eh. Skinis niya. Very good nga yun si Kina.
Kaya ako umahalo doon kanina habang buhat ko siya. Kinukot-kot ng ganun. Ang sakit.
Magaling nga yan si Kina eh. Inaalis niya dyan. Pumasok dyan daw yung demonyo eh, ha?
Ganun niya naman.
Alam niya kasi pumasok yung demonyo eh.
Siya.
Oo.
Ninoo niya. Tapos may kinukot niya. Ang sakit ng kinukot.
Sabi niya nandyan pumasok yung demonyo eh. Gusto ng mga demonyo yung alay, hindi mo alam. Isa pa. Part 2.